No, I don't rub my phone in other people's faces. I don't believe in that. Just kidding, I really do. But
Yes, you do. I saw you posted a video this morning walking on a day.
I did.
Send it to me.
I sent it to. Okay.
Yes.
You like how I played that off, like played dumb, like what are you talking
What?
about?
I did not know.
What? Well, he taught me something else this morning too.
What did the lifeguard say to you?
She said that I could do that after 5 o'clock, and no, it's not a rule, but it's a preference.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because they're worried about you can bring in Mabel, the great white.
Yeah.
Well, they did earlier, and I didn't see a big deal. They were doing it. There were people down there doing it.
She was down there with them. She was down there with them when they were catching that shark.
I thought she was just being nosy like the rest of the crowd. I don't know. I can wait till 5. Ocean's not going anywhere.
It'll be here.
Say hi.
Hi. Are you videoing?
Yes, I have
What's wrong
been.
with you?
Where do I begin?
Is this bitch on Snapchat?
This is not Snapchat.
Bro, did you add enough minutes to your phone to be using all that video?
Yes, I upgraded.
About add minutes. I mean, having to add data to your phone.
I have-
Talk to the back of my hand, so don't say nothing.
What's he saying?
Just make it fun.
I'm gonna need you to refrain from swearing, please.
I swear.
I just got it.
Jesus.
What are all these little
Oh, I didn't see it. I got it. I
Ooh, we
got
have
it.
fish.
Hey.
Hey.
This is how you do a drip festival.
I never heard of a drip castle.
Right now, it's wrong. Right now, it's wrong. Surprised they're still alive.
There's the steady flow of water coming in is stirring up oxygen.
Thank you, Mr. Poison.
Stale water.
You know what?
You're still a murderer. You're still the one that caught him.
I saw you rip that one's head off earlier.
Shh, this
Yeah,
great.
two of them.
Where did that go?
Decapitated. That's what's been ISIS.
He's out there with Hampton Harbor.
Well, heads getting ripped off shouldn't be that big of a shock to you.
It's fish, though. It's not
You
people.
might as well just go work for ISIS.
It's fish, not people.
Thank you.
They're all God's creatures.
I save lives for a living. Thank you very much.
Really?
I'm not in the big yes.
Thought you
I mean,
told
not-
the daughters what to do.
Not I did. I mean, but not directly save them, but indirectly, which is kind of the same thing. Look, the point of it is I'm important in what I do. I guess.
He was kind.
I is kind.
He was important.
I is important. What else was another one? Is the third? Adjective.
Special aid.
Truth. Josh. Oh, my special.
You was when you grabbed that jellyfish.
It doesn't hurt anymore though. That or I just can't feel anything. Look, he's made some friends.